Hello guys, how are you today? Hoping you are doing well. It's your girl Anne and I'm back again with a very interesting video kama kawaida. How have you been? It has been a minute since we met and guess what? Today we are back in our kitchen for after a long time. Today we are back and we are back again as usual with a very interesting video. If you've been, by the way, I've missed you so much. I hope you too you have missed me. Now let me take this opportunity before Tanisa and everyone of you to my YouTube channel. Karibu sana, and my YouTube channel goes by the name Cook with Anne Mub. Yeah, Anne, it's my name, so my name is Anne and my YouTube channel is Cook with Anne Mumbi. If you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Kindly just hit that subscription box, like the video, you share and you leave down a comment so that we may also motivate, and we are going to learn. As I told you, we are going to learn from here, so just leave a comment down below so that someone else will be motivated, and if there is any corrections I shall see the correction and tutarekebisha. So, here we are learning, we are educating, we are motivating, and we are doing all sorts of things together with you, as I told you in the beginning of the video. Now, for my new subscribers, karibuni sana maza. I love you so much. I love you. Subscribe and even share this video to your WhatsApp, to your WhatsApp groups, on your status. Share the video widely and remind your friends to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So just remember, you subscribe before you do anything. Just subscribe. Yeah. I'll be so and so far, by the way, I'm so thankful for the amazing work and for the love that you have shown me for the last few months. Nimeshukuru sana. I've seen you people, you have trained to subscribe, and thank you so much. Now let me also tell you what we are going to cook for today. Today we are going to make some minced meat. Yeah. We are going to make some minced meat. I just wanted to show you how to make some minced meat. A very nice meal for your family. Hiyo ni boga, by the way. You can eat the minced meat with the rice, you can gali with chapati, with anything of your choice. So my people, without wasting time, let's go straight to our ingredients for today. So for the minced meat, here we have the minced meat, here we have some green capscum, and you can replace this with green peas ama miji. Okay, we have some onions here. Okay, we have some salt to taste, we have some garlic here, we have some waru. Yeah, hii lazima nayo ingekuwa cause baby Gloria anaenda kukula na sisi, and I want to make something delicious for her na sisi. And here we have some waru, and we have some tomatoes, we have some spices here, and we have some tomato paste. Here we are. Sufuria ndio hiyo, and first of all naenda kuihit. Yeah, moto ndio hiyo nimeka kwa sawa. Mafuta nayo nimeka kidogo juu the minced meat inakaa ni kama iko na mafuta. Yeah, so we add our kitunguu. At this point naongeza our garlic. Okay, there we go. Nataka iive kabisa juu sipendangi kama haijaiva. Kuna taste inakuanga nayo as after you. Hii chakula Glo naenda kukula hii chakula. I have to make sure everything is in order. Kila kitu imepikika vizuri ikaiva. So at this point hapa ndo naeka garlic, alafu nikoroge. Nataka garlic iive pamoja na kitunguu. Are we together? Now after kitunguu imeiva, you can see imeanza kuturn brown. Hapa ndo tunaweka our tomato paste. Still natakanga tomato paste kama imeiva kabisa. So kuna zingine unakula unasikia kama hazijaiva. Unasikia ni kama unakula, hapana, ndo kali kabisa. So hapo ndo tunaiweka. So tunaipika our tomato paste. Remember this is just onion na tomato paste. Hatujaongeza kitu kingine. So So you just cook the tomato paste mpaka ive kabisa. After now it's ready, we add our beef cubes. Okay, remember tunapika minced meat, so wow, God. Oh my God, the aroma. After the beef cubes, tunaongeza our curry powder. Tunatumia curry powder tu peke yake. After this, unaongeza some water. You see? After tumeongeza some water. Hii thickness ni ya the tomato paste. Tafadhali msisahau, hii ni tomato paste. At this point, ndo tunaongeza our minced meat. Okay? Let's do this. Alafu unakoroga. Then you want some maji kidogo, some little water. Yeah. Unaona? You can see. So nice. So nice. Now, after it's ready, mnaona venye imekaa? Wow. You guys, I wish you mnaweza smell what I'm smelling. So nice, so delicious, so yummy. You see? Now we give it like 10 minutes, then we shall be back. Unaona it's still boiling. At this point, tunaika our tomatoes. Alafu we give them like 3 minutes. Dozive. After 3 minutes, our nyanya bado they are cooking. Ndo maana tulizieka mapema ndo ziive tu pole pole. You see? At this point, tunaongeza our green capscum. Look, it looks so delicious. So nice. They cook for another 3 minutes, then tukuje tuangalia. This is how the mixture looks. You see? So nice. Now, mi sipendangi crunchy. So nazieka mapema ndo ziive haraka, ziive vizuri. So at this point tunaongeza our warus. There we go. Alafu the warus ziko na the tendency of pre-cooking. So I prefer kuzieka za mwisho ndo ziive vizuri, alafu zisiive zile zimeiva zimeovercook. No, nataka kama ni waru na ikiwa waru, naona hii ni bado waru haijaiva. Tuone. Now at this point, our minced meat is ready. Tunaweza pakua tukule juu, it's ready.
Say what you wanna say to me.